Namaskar, the season of winter has come and you love your hair. The season affects your hair in terms of two. One thing is the condition of hair and the increase in hair fall, which is called as the physiological. Hair needs care. The reason being hair is not a live structure. So body doesn't care once it produces it. So you need to care. So it's a non-living structure which you love it and it needs care. Winter affects hair by increase in dryness, cold temperature, less intake of water and the liquids, and changes in the other environmental, physiological, working condition, thinking condition affects your hair. So let's solve one by one. First of all, you should save your hair from the environmental effect, means cold waves, cold air and all that. For that you must use cap and the helmet. Cap and helmet does not increases your hair loss, rather they protect. So it's a myth that cap or hair loss increases. You ride on two-wheelers, you must use helmet. If not, then certainly cap you must use. That will protect your hair fiber from deleterious effects of the environment. That is first important thing. Second thing is the hair shaft dryness is increased. You must take plenty of liquids, no matter it is cool, hot, warm, whatever, but you must not reduce your hydration, liquid intake. Slightly it will be reduced because there is no sweating, so intake is certainly will be less in requirement, but you must take. Number one, to reduce the dryness of your skin, one is, I said, the coverage of the hair. Another thing is starting from hair bath. Hair bath, you can use pre-hair wash oil application. Any coconut oil is the best oil. 1 or 2 hours before or a night before the head wash, you should apply the oil, and then on the day morning you clean it with the shampoo and use the conditioner. I strongly recommend that, especially in the winter season, you must use the hair conditioner either once a week or twice a week or once in 10 days. You need as per your environmental condition and as per your lifestyle, but you must use. Then another thing is, if you are in habit of applying the oil, you can apply the oil over the hair shaft. There is no harm in it. But if you are having too much of the dandruff during that period, avoid of using the oil during that period. Then another thing is, you should use regularly the hair mask to make your hair silky, shiny and smooth, because the hair mask covers your hair fiber by a proteinous layer. The egg mask is one of the most common. Then various oil mixed with your banana, egg you can use. You can mix banana and your curd. You can also mix banana, egg, curd and something like the basin also you can use. So in some one of the combination which you like, you must use the hair mask. If you can't do, you contact some good beautician, quality beautician, and you can go for the use of hair mask 10 days or 15 days once in the time. Then another problem is of the dandruff. During the season, dandruff is increased. For dandruff, domestic treatment is use of the lemon water, use of the curd. These are the good domestic treatment to control the dandruff. Allopathic treatment is your good quality is your ketoconazole shampoo. Ketoconazole shampoo, if you have too much of the dandruff, apply it 10 minutes or 15 minutes before the head wash, leave it for some time and then wash. Many times the person says that I have been doing everything, but even then the dandruff is not going. You are right. Dandruff will not go forever. If you have more dandruff, clean them more frequently. If you have less dandruff, decrease the frequency of use of the shampoo and all that, but you need to use it. That's the end message is dandruff is like dirt in the house. You clean house every day. If your house becomes dirty more, then you clean your house twice a day. So similarly, if you have got too much of the dandruff, it's not going, use any shampoo, I tell you it is going to go. But you think you apply for 10 days and it go forever, it's not. It's not. You are mistaken. So keep it frequently. Alternate day, twice a week you can use, thrice a week you can use. And after that, when the hair becomes dry, you can use the conditioner. Or the simplest method I strongly advocate many times is 2-3 drops of coconut oil, 2-3 drops of water, just put and apply over the hair. Just like this. So hair shaft oil coating is done, the purpose is finished. So that's another. Then you can also do the gentle massage. You can use any coconut oil and you can use olive oil and you can do the gentle massage to increase the circulation and to increase the softness of your skin and to treat the dryness of your skin and the dryness of your hair shaft. So these are the few tips to care. Then another problem is the increase in the hair loss, which makes you much worried. So if your hair loss has increased because of the winter, do not worry. It is just because of the season. It's a seasonal hair loss. Like you see autumn season, Patjhad, in which the tree leaves all the leaves of them, they become just bald and then the leaves come back. So similarly, you also notice that thing. So need not to worry. Only thing you must do that is that you must maintain the nutrition, because the hair factory needs raw material, protein, nutrients, vitamins, all that to make your hair shaft healthy again. So you maintain your nutrition, maintain your hydration, maintain the moisture scalp by use of this oil, gentle massage, anti-dandruff treatment, hair mask, cap, helmet, and good hydration. That's all. And even then, if you have too much of dandruff, too much of itching and too much of hair fall, you must consult a doctor. Thank you.